Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the US dollar cat went all the way back down yesterday and made another new low. This is why I always talk about trading with the higher time frame trend. I mean, on the daily time frame, there still has not been any reason to say that this downtrend is over. And if you zoom way out, you can see that I am extremely bearish on this pair. I think eventually this is going to go down all the way to about the 1.15 area and maybe even lower. So just keep that in mind that the trend is always your friend. Now, going down to the sort of time phase, I mean, I've been saying for a couple of days now that we probably are going to get a pretty decent pullback, maybe even break structure. I still think that we might get a decent pullback, but I personally am not looking for longs because there's been no break of structure to the upside or anything on any of my higher time frames. So I personally am still looking for shorts, and this move up is actually not even looking that impulsive. It almost looks like it could just go down again. So unfortunately, what I was saying yesterday about this possibly going up and making a wave C may be incorrect. And I definitely didn't take that as a long because, like I said, I only trade with the higher time frames. If the higher time frames are definitely down, then there's no reason for me to look for longs on sort of time frames. But instead, I would just try to go short every single chance I got. Overall, the dollar pairs have been pretty slow for almost 2 weeks now. So hopefully, we get some volatility. We got IMS manufacturing today, and then tomorrow we got non-farm payroll. So we got employment numbers tomorrow. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.